Hi everybody! 2 points to note before we start. First, this video assumes you can read hiragana. The second is a memory tip. Researchers say you remember stuff better when you say it out loud, and we organized this video to make use of that little brain quirk. When you see a pause button with a question mark appear, pause the video and answer the question out loud. When the pause button has a talking face, again pause the video and repeat the example out loud. This will help you remember better. This video explains 2 Japanese patterns using uchi. These are intermediate level patterns that come up in the N3 grammar section of the Japanese language proficiency test. The first pattern using uchi usually indicates that something is done or should be done before some other state changes. It's usually translated using during or while. Here's an example.
アリは夏のうちに冬の準備をします。
The uchi in uchi is a noun, so the grammar is mostly the same as for any noun that comes after another noun, an adjective, or a verb. But the diagram shows you can only put 3 verb forms in front of the phrase. So, no more grammar, let's try some practice examples.
暖かいうちに食べましょう。元気なうちにいろいろなところへ行きたい。
忘れないうちに書いておこう。店が空いているうちに食べに行こう。
The second pattern using uchi indicates that something changed or occurred during some state, event, or action. Even though the meaning is a little different from the first pattern, it's usually translated into English using during or while. Here's an example.
しばらく見ないうちに大きくなったね。
Okay, so the grammar for this second pattern is exactly the same as for the first pattern. You're putting a noun after another noun, an adjective, or a verb, but you can use only some verb forms before uchi. Now for the fun stuff, let's do a few practice examples. Remember to say them out loud.
何度も聞いているうちに聞き取れるようになってきました。毎日やっているうちに慣れてきました。勉強しているうちに眠ってしまった。 寝ているうちに映画が終わってしまった。
Okay, so this video looked at two patterns from the ebook Natural Japanese at a Glance N3 Patterns, available from Amazon and Apple Books. Most people like the Apple edition for iPads or iPhones because you can play all the sound files from inside the actual book. As always, please give us a like, and if you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.